recently made a trip up to the Pacific Northwest to help a family member dig a new trench to replace the water line between the house and the water meter near the street. We couldn't dig up the old water line because in 1968, when they installed the water line, they also ran the power line in the same trench as the water pipe. My family member got a call from the water company around January or February to let him know his water usage had jumped up 1,500 gallons a day. With no broken pipes inside or out, they decided that the water line between the house and the water meter was leaking about 1,500 gallons a day. Unfortunately, the water company couldn't pinpoint where their water main shutoff valve and meter was located. With 15 feet of snow on the ground, they couldn't get in with heavy equipment to search for it. So this leaked 1,500 gallons a day until the first week of June, when enough snow melted they could get in with a wheel loader to remove the last bit of snow and locate the shutoff valve.
We got power wire somewhere. I tore some off right there. It was on the surface. That was what we were tracking with the metal detector. You know what it is? Look. No coax. Nobody cares. That tree is bugging you. I can cut it down. Let's try to work around it. Now if it falls down in there, is it going to crush anything? We'll see. I think you got a pretty good hold on it. Tighten up. That's together. I have a good enough hold on it, and that's huge. You need to slide. More landscaping rocks. That is a huge rock. We might be able to leave that other one in there. Just straight back. Okay, let's come this way. I think that's good for now. That'll give you something to work on. Let's get over here and I want to start pulling that hole back so I can get in and find the pipe. Okay.
The trench is all ready for a bed of sand before the new water line is installed.
That's flaking off. Get some pictures before it gets dark.
And there's the water and power lines buried about 4 to 4.5 feet down. I was really impressed with this little Kubota excavator. It was able to move some really big rocks. I made it down to Seattle to catch a 4th of July fireworks show, which didn't disappoint by any means. It's definitely worth trying to see if you're near Seattle for the 4th. If you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.